Very happy birthday to you. More strength to your elbow. Keep up the good work and stay healthy as you always are. Bless you.
तरफ से बर्थडे की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं।
Very very happy birthday to you. May you rock these birthdays many more years and always love, lots of love.
के जन्मदिन के मौका पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ, दुआएं दे रहा हूँ।
Many happy return of the day. आप जियो हजारों साल और
many happy returns of the day from me and my family. I hope all your dreams come true in life.
Happy birthday.
And a very happy birthday. I've done
very happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you जी। केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी। ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू हाँ जी। तो इस पे इतने खुश क्यों हो ऐ भाई, तुम तो बरसों पहले ही निकल चुके हो, तो बर्थडे वाला नाटक ये क्यों है भाई। कैंडल शैंडल फूंक से बुझा के, बेसुरों की भीड़ फालतू में लगवा के, बर्थडे वाला सॉन्ग जोर जोर से गवाते हो, हमसे ताली शाली का हजामत करवाते हो। ये सब नौटंकी फिर भी चलो झेल लें, केक शेक तो स्टार्टर्स भर भर के आए प्लेट में, घर जाके फिर से डिनर न मंगवाना हो, चूहे ना दौड़े पेट में रात के 1:45। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू जी। सोच समझ के इनवाइट भिजवाओ जी, अगर पेट पूजा का फुल इंतजाम है तो ही न्योता कंसीडर करेंगे जी। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू कह दिया है जी, तुम और भी बुढ़े हो गए ओ तेरी, दिल छोटा ना करो उम्र का है क्या, बाल झड़ेंगे दांत गिरेंगे वैसे ही।
Hey Monal bhai, happy birthday. Wishing you a very happy birthday today and for the coming year to come. It has been a pleasure working with you and learning quite a few things from you. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Monal.
Hey Monal, how are you my friend? I hope you remember me. और अगर नहीं पहचाना तो तेरे को पहचानना पड़ेगा. But let me start by saying wishing you a very happy birthday. It's been a long while. We haven't spoken, we haven't met. But I still remember when we were together in MS. And sort of I still remember the first day when you came to Morgan Stanley and you joined our team and you were wearing goggles, okay, in office, and me, Latika and Pankaj at that point of time were talking like ye banda goggle pehen ke kyun office aaya hai, and that is how it all started. And we learned more about you, and it was fun working with you. Knowing you as a person was a brilliant experience, and I still miss those days जब हम लोग साथ में काम करते थे MS में. It was just such a fun, and but all is good. I hope at your end everything is working fine. All in your family are keeping safe. But do stay in touch. And once again, many happy returns of the day. Take care. Have a good day. Bye.
Take 135.
मेरे मोना रे मोना रे मोना रे, दे देंगे जान जुदा मत होना रे, हमने तुझे बड़ी देर से जाना, हुआ कसूर खफा मत होना रे, हमने तुझे बड़ी देर से जाना,
हुआ 35 अब तो तू ग्रो होना रे,
ओ मेरे मोना रे मोना रे मोना.
Hey Monal, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a very safe year ahead.
Happy birthday Mona.
Have fun.
birthday, Monil uncle.
Happy birthday, cake uncle.
Have a great year ahead, Monil.
Hey brother, where is the party, man?
Happy birthday, Monil. May this year you talk more than Hetal.
You mean may this year may Hetal let you talk much more than last year?
No. Hetal's right always, okay? So if she says keep quiet, keep quiet.
All the best, Monil.
Bye.
All the best, Monil.
Have a wonderful year.
Mr. Chupa Rustam. Bye.
Hi Monil, wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Monil, wish you many happy returns of the day.
I'm sure this is the last video which has reached Hetal. We're getting good at our deadlines. Anyway, hope you have a very memorable 35th birthday.
And a great year ahead.
Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Monil.
Hi Monil, how are you? Wish you many happy returns of the day. The good part and the best part of our friendship is that even if I meet you after 5 long years, it wouldn't feel like it's been so long. I can just chit chat with you the way we met yesterday. I really cherish the engineering days that we were together, and I still feel you are my 4 AM friends, which means I can just call you up anytime and ask for help if there is a need. So I see a very dear friend in you. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you all the prosperity in life, and wish you all the fortunes in life, and may your health and wealth be steady and ever growing. And on your birthday, a small drawing for you.
Hey, hi Monil, how are you? Surprised? Yes. Yeah, I can see the smile on your face. Yeah, man. Wishing you many happy returns of the day, boy. Happy birthday. Thank you.
Hi Monil, a very happy birthday to you. Let's plan a good holiday together. A nice relaxing one. Enjoy your day.
Hi Monil, wishing you a very happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead, and I wish this lockdown ends soon and we meet soon. It's been a long time since we have all met, and wishing you all the best for all your endeavors, personal as well as professional, and have a great day.
Hi Monil, you're the first person from East Gang that I've ever met, and so this friendship goes really long, possibly more than all others I've known. And so the respect and fond memories I hold over these years actually lead to like really heartfelt birthday wishes for you this birthday, for a wonderful day and year ahead, and wish you all the very best.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Monil. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Monil.
मोनिल भाई एंड हेतल, कल रात से सोच रहा हूँ आपके बर्थडे पे क्या भेजूं। बहुत सोचा, पर सोचा अभी सो जाते हैं, कल सुबह सोचेंगे। तो सुबह बैठे बैठे एक शेर सोच लिया मोनिल भाई के लिए और उनके बिजनेस के लिए। तो शेर सुनाता हूँ, अच्छा लगे हेतल तो एक और चौथा बॉक्स डाल लेना और हर पेशेंट के नाम से 200 रुपया उसमें जमा करना। तो अर्ज किया है, जन्मदिन की मुबारकबाद हो, जन्मदिन की मुबारकबाद हो हुजूरे आला। आपका ब्रांड इतना फेमस हो, आपका ब्रांड इतना फेमस हो कि सामने फीका पड़ जाए ज़ारा। है ना भाई, दहीसर चा राजा मोनिल छेड़ा। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, एंजॉय योर डे एंड विश यू अ वेरी हेल्दी एंड प्रोग्रेसिव ईयर अहेड। थैंक यू मोनिल भाई.
Mac, 4 days to go for your birthday. Happy birthday in advance. Mac.
Happy birthday, Monil Chheda, Daisarcha Raja. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. You share your birthday with me, like Librans. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mac. Happy birthday, Mac. Happy birthday, Jiju.
Wishing you a very, very happy birthday, Mac.
Real Jiju M.
હેપી બર્થડે મેક. ધન્ય છે તમને કે તમે હેતલ સાથે આટલા વર્ષ કાઢ્યા અને આગળ શું કરશો એ પણ અમને જણાવશો. હેપી બર્થડે.
Happy birthday, Daisarcha Raja.
Happy birthday.
Hello, Papa. This is a surprise for you. Happy birthday, Papa. આવ કેટલો પણ બર્થડે થીવાના. આવ તાયો બેબી forever હે. Happy birthday, Moil Mama. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Moil Mama. चंदा ने पूछा तारों से, तारों ने पूछा सारों से, सबसे प्यारा कौन है? मामा, मेरे मामा, मामा, मेरे मामा. Moil Mama, you are the best mama in the world. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Monil. Happy birthday to you. Two of my favorite people birthday is on this day, and I am really blessed to have you in my life. Stay healthy, stay happy is the only wish on this birthday for you. You are very smart, hardworking, not so talkative, not so expressive, but very caring and protective. Apple of mom's eye forever. I want to share one memory with you on this day, that when you went to MDI, you had sent me a gift from there, which I cherish till date. That was the first and the last gift you had gifted me. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being there when I needed your help. I love you. Happy birthday once again. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Mama's favorite child. Monil to बहुत smart, understanding and a caring brother છે. Thanks for always being there.
હાય દહીસરના અંબાની. વિશ યુ મેની મેની હેપી રિટર્ન્સ ઓફ ધ ડે. આપણે બે એક જેવા જ છીએ. મહારાશિ ક્યારે બદલતા નહીં. બી યોરસેલ્ફ, બી હાર્ડ વર્કિંગ એઝ યુ આર ઓલવેઝ. કીપ ઓન પ્રિન્ટિંગ મની.
Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday.
Enjoy.
Wish you a great life. Have fun.
Bye.
birthday, Monil bhai. Happy birthday, Saleji.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wish you many, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of pav bhajis and chocolates, dark chocolate.
Yum, 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 yum.
In your life. And દાતા પરિવારની જલ્દી અમે હવે વેટ કરીએ છીએ. કોઈ ટ્રીપ પ્લાન કરો. હું ને મિતેશ વેટ કરીએ છીએ.
Orange County.
Piyu, where do you want to go? Maldives, right?
Taj.
Goa. Me too.
Happy birthday, Monil. Wish you many, many happy return of the day.
मोनिल हैप्पी बर्थडे. मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000.
हैप्पी बर्थडे मोनिल भाई. विश यू many many happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday Monil. May God bless you with all the success and happiness in the world and give you the strength to plan and execute a trip of all the boys of Mahamasi group to Goa.
Happy birthday Monil.
Happy birthday
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Monil. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Monil bhai.
Wish you many many happy returns of the day to the most talented and intelligent person yet very humble person of our Mama Masi group. Wish you many many happy returns of the day, Monil. Enjoy your day. તારા બર્થડે ની ખુશીમાં આઈસ્ક્રીમ જલ્દી ડેલુ.
Enjoy your day, bye.
Happy birthday to you, G.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Monil.
Bye.
Stay blessed.
Have a nice day ahead. And keep shining. Hi.
Happy birthday, Textile King.
A very happy birthday, Monil bhai. Wish you achieve great milestones in life.
अंबानी तो बन गया है, अभी और कितना माइलस्टोन अचीव करेगा. सो वी नीड अ बिग फैट सेलिब्रेशन ऑन 11th. वील बी वेटिंग फॉर दैट. And till then, enjoy your day and have a great year ahead. Cheers.
Enjoy,
Bye.
bye. Hi Monil, wish you a happy wala birthday.
Stay happy.
Stay blessed.
Hi Monil ભાઈ, many happy returns of the day. ફૂલ એકદમ લોકડાઉન બર્થડે એન્જોય કરજો અને હવે મળો ફાઇનલી લોકડાઉન પછી ગ્રાન્ડ પાર્ટી કરીએ તમારા બર્થડેની સેલિબ્રેશન.
હેપી બર્થડે મોનિલ જીજાજી. હેવ અ નાઇસ ડે. મસ્ત મજા કરજા. હેતલ સારું સારું જમવાયો બનાવીને તાકે દીની આજે. એન્જોય. ટેક કેર. બાય.